This next method is called the idea trigger method for generating concepts. It is very similar to the 635 method in that it is also starts out as an individual type working condition where you have individuals writing down as many ideas as they can as quickly as possible for a set amount of time, such as maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes, right? Then you'll take a break and then you'll take a little more time to write down more ideas. So this one doesn't limit you to 3 ideas. It lets you put down as many as possible, right? And you write down those as much as you can. The difference then with this is that you don't pass it on to the next person. The next phase is called the trigger phase itself. So the first one, again, was the idea generation phase. Now we're on to the trigger phase. And you have one person that's the leader of the group, and they start asking each person to write down or tell them what their ideas are. And that person will write down each of those ideas. And as that's happening, everyone that's listening in can cross off ideas that they think that they have that are duplicate. And then you may think, oh, well, that's another idea. So you would pick out another sheet of paper and you start writing down another set of ideas and generate more on another sheet of paper. And the leader will go around to each person and create this list. And then they will go to the next list, again, going around a second time to see what people have on their second sheet or third sheet, and as many triggers as possible until no new ideas are actually generated. After that, we go into the last phase, which is the compilation phase. And in this phase, all of the ideas are brought together and classified in different groupings, but the ideas still aren't evaluated at this point. That doesn't happen until the evaluation phase. So again, here for the idea trigger, we have the idea generation is done, and that generation is done in 2 minutes, a break, and then maybe some more time after that. Then the ideas are brought together in the triggering phase where you listen to other people's ideas and bring in new ideas on that and making second and third repeats of other ideas that are going around in the group. You continue this again until all ideas have been exhausted. And then finally is that compilation phase. So again, this still doesn't give that group, a little more group effort than the method 635, but still it's kind of an individual thing. So you could do this as a first step also, and then from here go into brainstorming to get even more ideas.